marching forward. Look at this, Mosey and AJ. Pumiglas na ang Army. Itong Army, huwag mo bibigyan ng pagkakataon. Hindi Navy to, ha? Pero ito, pag nakakita ng pating to, baka parang mga pating ito, eh.
Oo, nakaamoy ng tugo.
Isa lang ang masamang laro nila. Yung sa Cagayan talaga. At wala pa si
So, hindi pa rin prepared masyado at that time. Although we're not taking anything away from Cagayan. Napaka-powerhouse talaga.
But I think I still see them and Army moving forward, and let's see how smart and the Air Force. Actually, si Clarence Esteban nanonood itong game na to. He's watching all the teams actually.
Alam mo, ang aabangan natin dyan, partner, yung susunod na pagtatagpo ng Cagayan
Army.
Ano ba talaga ngayon na kompleto na halos ng Philippine Army?
At saka nagko-compete na rin ang mga teams. Kasi yan. Yan ang sinasabi. Sabi, buwisit doon sa laro niya kasi ito, sumalpak sa net yung kanyang serve. Pagka hindi nakuha, tatabog talaga. Galit eh.
Pati sa itsura, pinamalapit sa atin.
Yes, in the meantime, that'll work. And she's trying to get her team going. She made a rally in the first set.
She just has Eliza and si Soriano in front. So, I'm sure ang aabangan si Eliza.
Just like to report, Salak tries that to go through.
Another veteran move from Tina Salak. Makita niya, isa pa lang, huli yung second blocker. Tingnan natin.
And the Salak special will be showcased in this moment. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
Nakita niya, dito bunalun si Charo.
12-7. Valdez found the spot. Gonzaga pirouette. Jing Balses, inuntog ang ulo. Nabwisit sa sarili.
Well, alam mo, malapit ang mga numero nitong mga to, lalo na sa reception at saka pagdating sa atake. Reception para sa Philippine Army, 8 at Smart Maynila with 7.
Alam mo ang gusto ko kay Ging. She'll make a mistake. But Ging, just being such a smart player, she'll do something else.
Oo.
Babawi.
At si Tina Salak is really known for that. Asahan mo na halimbawa meron siyang setter na may pagkakamali, babalik niya ron. Next play.
Yung mga magagaling na setter na, si Ruby De Leon halimbawa, bibigay nila ulit.
Papabawiin nila.
And that's how Ging Balse, the trick in any game is how to make your partner look better. 9-13, Charo Soriano, Torres, Salak, Balse huli. Salak resets. Gonzaga brushed it against the block and got it to go. Balse, long-time USD Tiger, and that's a rare moment. You don't see that with Melissa very often.
Yep, nakakadalawa na siyang ganun. Pero alam mo, hindi mo man siya masisi. Dito sa dalawang kupon na to, opensa kagad yung service eh.
Yes.
Yung mga galing kay Eliza, galing kay Ging Balse. Talaga namang napakahirap din kunin.
69, Roger Correa waited for this technical timeout because his team has fallen behind by 7.